Welcome back to our channel. In this video I just want to show you how to do a quote and then turn it into an invoice. So it's pretty simple. All you need to do is head up to the business tab and click on quotes. From here you want to go new quote. Enter in the contact. In this case we're going to use City Limousines. The issue date is already put in as today's date, and the expiry date is, it can either be same day quote in 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, or you can pick any date you want. I'm just going to do 1 week. That is the quote number that's automatically put in. You can edit that if you need to. For this demo we'll just leave it blank. You can input a reference as well, change the theme, change the currency. So I would probably recommend creating a branding theme for quotes rather than having it as standard. I think I do have a video on that if you want to go have a look at creating custom invoice templates. So next thing we want to do is go to the description. If you do have your services or products put in there, you can select them from here. But for this demo, I'm going to just type in the description. So our business is a car detailing company, and we're going to detail their limousines. And they have 5 vehicles at $250 each. Here you can put in a discount. I might actually do that actually. So 10% because they're purchasing 5. And then the account. Just check that the GST rate is correct. You can input regions. This is just to track perhaps where your clients are coming from, or in this demo file you've got east, north, south and west, but you can create your own, and it can be quite handy for tracking where your customers or sales are coming from. So you have the total amount, and here you can input the terms, which I would always recommend doing. You can obviously change that and put in whatever detail you like. Alright, so that's all you really need. And then you would hit send. And this won't actually send for me because I am in a demo file, but you can edit this message here. And then hit send. I'm going to cancel out for now and just save that. Okay, now I want to show you how to turn that into an invoice once the quote has been accepted. So let's go back to our quote page. The one we just made is a draft, but I prepared one earlier that now says accepted. Alright, now that that's accepted, you do actually get this create invoice button in the top right. Now if you don't have that, or the quote has just been sent but not accepted, that won't be there. I'm just going to go back to the draft one just to show you, because sometimes people won't accept it online and they've told you over the phone. All you need to do is go copy to, and you can copy that to an invoice to charge the quote to the customer. And then it's transferred a lot of the data over, but yeah, you need to just input the due date, the account's still the same, and then you would approve an email. So I'm just going to go back to quotes and just show you again the accepted one, which is going to be your most common scenario here, and then create invoice, and then it gives you the option here to mark as invoiced. So that will mark the quote as invoiced. All right, and again, you can see all the edit invoice details there. Now, if we go back to quotes, it has now turned that status into invoiced. So it's pretty simple. That's all that you need to know on how to create a quote and then turn it into an invoice. Thanks for watching. If you've got any video ideas or anything you want to learn about, please let me know. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.